Step 1. Apply arm sling. Remove the arm sling and shoulder straps from the cushion. Release the quick release buckles at the front of sling. Position arm in sling on patient with elbow back as far as possible. Step 2. Secure shoulder ring. Bring the shoulder ring around the back of patient. Open the shoulder ring. Wrap it around the opposing shoulder and secure using the hook tabs. Secure the quick release buckles at front of arm sling. Step 3. Position and secure a cushion. Release the quick release buckle for waist belt on front of the cushion. Position the cushion under the patient's affected arm at waist level and secure the arm sling on the cushion with elbow positioned at 90 degrees. Bring the waist belt around patient's back and secure the quick release buckle on the front of the cushion. Step 4. Adjust and trim straps. During recovery, the arm sling strap and waist belt may be adjusted and trimmed as needed for proper shoulder position and fit.